there's still not as much research as we would like. There's research that exists, but there's not research in all different areas, such as low and middle income countries, for the effect on like increased rain and flooding and things like that. And so when you ask about concrete measures of informing communities, I think one way is involving communities in that research. So there's been actually my organization GLIDE, we supported 9 different research projects that looked at climate and infectious diseases in different countries. So Madagascar, Peru, Ghana, Tanzania, several countries. And several of them included community participation. So asking the community, how has how has increased rainfall affected your life? What are some mitigation strategies that you are using? What are some adaptation strategies that you are using? What do you think policymakers need to know? So I think when you're doing that research and you're involving communities, not only are they being informed of what's happening, they're also being able to co-design the recommendations in order to protect their livelihoods and their families as well. Women are disproportionately affected when it comes to changing climate. In a lot of traditional African communities, women and girls are the ones who go and get the water. And one of our panelists, one of the youth envoys, was saying that when girls have to walk further to get water, they're unable to go to school, right? It affects their education. So I think that, as far as what is happening with the with actions between health and climate and gender, I think first is really getting out the information. I think we have a ways to go when it comes to actually implementing that, and I think that's what COP28 and all the COPs should actually be doing, is really guiding that policy of, okay, how do we make gender responsive systems when we think about health systems? How do we ensure that girls are staying in school even when the climate changes? And so I think those are some of the policy talks happening right now, but then we need to really make sure that the member states of the African Union put that in practice through their different sectors.